Hey everyone, today is going to be a Pack With Me special and a little COVID twist with it. So I hope you enjoy. This is the stuff that I normally pack with me and then a few extra things because of being in the COVID world right now. So here is one of the bags that I will be packing. Very importantly, hair gel from my husband. This stuff holds like crazy. If you have not used it, it is amazing. A little hairspray here, a little mousse, that little bottle that has nothing on it, that is a spray and conditioner that is essential. My friend who does my hair says I always have to have if I'm going to be in water, and I will be, so very important for me to have. This little guy here, so this was actually something that I picked out from Sephora as like one of my little free gifts, and I love it. I feel like it's such a nice refresher. And along with that too, this little glow pill and then this little facial spray. Oh my gosh, I just feel so refreshed, especially if I've been drinking or something the night before and I just feel puffy, I have a sodium, whatever. I think it's super helpful to travel with, so I love to have that. Little moisturizer here too, that kind of makes you look nice and dewy. And then a nice strong little sunblock here for my face. So another thing here that I have is this little guy, which is so awesome. So it folds into this tiny little thing, but I have like a quick little comb here. And then after sun care, we actually got that little guy from our trip to Bora Bora. They had it there, so that was awesome. I feel like you can't have enough hand sanitizer right now, so from Bath & Body Works, I love that little guy. It smells so good. Little deodorant, this Jack Black, my husband is obsessed with, body lotion. It smells really good. So we have a little sample pack of that we like to bring with us. And then also some more hand cream because I like to have my own lotions. I feel like they're more moisturizing oftentimes than the ones that they give you there. So I will be putting all of this in a little bag. Here's some of my girly stuff that I will be packing with me too. So first off, with this little palette, I'm in love with it. All my friends who've ever seen it are like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's called Glitter Storm. So pretty and sparkly, just very feminine. So I have that little guy here, and along with my Urban Decay one, the palette, and Cherry is so pretty. So I have some concealer. Honestly, face stuff right now, I'm probably not going to be doing that much because I will be wearing a face mask so much of the time. So I probably won't do it because it's just gonna smear on my mask. Same thing with lip too, probably smear on the mask. So I'm gonna be mostly all about the eyes here. Also, ladies, oh my goodness, this little Sugar Rush here by Tarte. This is the best little curler I have ever used. It gets so close, but you don't feel like you're gonna, pull on your eyelid or anything. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this. I'm gonna buy another one so I have one just always for travel. So normally when I start packing all of this stuff together here, I actually usually do it like a week in advance. And one of my little secrets is I actually buy duplicates sometimes of certain products. So like this, I just won't wear, this for a week. I'll use different eyeshadow. But I do have a second curler, not this amazing one, but a different one. So I'll use that for the week. And then same thing with my foundation, my brushes, I have some duplicates, and that makes my packing so much easier. I hate being stressed the day of travel, trying to figure out what I need to pack still. So it really just makes my life way easier. So probably so many of you have like a signature scent. I just kind of go with what I like. I do have one that I wear often, but I kind of change it up sometimes. So I have a couple little sample ones, and I'll bring those really just to save space because look, it just barely takes up anything. But that's kind of also one of my little secrets that I do for travel, just so I don't have as much stuff, especially when I'm traveling through an airport and weight and things like that. Little road trip kind of thing isn't as big of a deal, but I still don't like carrying tons of stuff. So this little guy here, I got a little set of these from Amazon. That is another option for the foundation. But yeah, these little guys are like a lifesaver for space too. I like to have my clothes that are potentials that I will be packing in one section of the closet, so when I am ready to try them on to see what I want to bring with me, they're in one little area, which makes it very convenient. So once I try on my outfits and I find the ones I want to wear, I start going through and figuring out which accessories I'm gonna wear with it. So here I have a couple of my daytime dresses that I'm going to wear. And then also I have my evening ones I'm going to wear. So I will start laying them out on the floor and deciding which accessories I want to pair with that along with the shoes. So I went and picked out my shoes here. So these are the ones I'm going to be wearing along with a pair of flip-flops here for the trip. And also a couple more things that I have packed here. Very comfortable pants and a sweatshirt. Pants are Lululemon. They are so comfy. I'm in love with these. I love to travel in Lululemon, along with a matching little bra that I will probably wear in the room. It's just like a little bralette, very comfy, cozy. And also a cute booty is the name of it, little top as well too, just kind of a little casual bra to wear in there. Everything is very comfy. And then I have very comfy polo Ralph Lauren pants too that I like to just kind of lounge in, you know, before we start our day. Moving on here to bathing suits and cover-ups. I'm gonna bring a couple bathing suits and a couple cover-ups. So one's kind of, you can see it's see-through, it's kind of cute flirty. Another one is a full coverage, it's kind of like a little dress. So both of those I will have and bring with me. One of the suits I'm going to be bringing with me is a Wicked Weasel one, which I absolutely love. It is so comfy and it's just really, really well made. So I love bringing that with me as well. And then just a kind of backup and spare suit. I think we're only going to go to the pool probably one day, but I always like to have a backup. I like to lay out all my jewelry ahead of time and pair it with my outfits along with my shoes, so that way I know ahead of time what I will be wearing, and I will take pictures of it after I've laid it out on the ground. And it takes time now, but it really saves me during the vacation, because who wants to spend their vacation doing that? This is my friend Katie's jewelry here that she has designed and made herself. So cute. She has a great line, and I will link it in my description. She's also a successful YouTuber too, so you can check her out there. So along with my little necklace here, I'll be wearing these earrings, maybe this ring. I don't know, might be too much of a rose gold, but we'll see. And here's a couple of my little Tiffany's here too that I will probably wear, just this cute little dainty one. In fact, I may even wear it with this. I'll have to kind of play with it, but I like to have all my jewelry ready to go, set up, and I'll probably take pictures so I remember what it is I want to wear on which day. Super important thing you guys don't forget to do is make space on your DVR. If you don't already do it, I forget some of the times, and it's very annoying to come back, do completely full DVR, and important shows that you wanted are gone. Does anyone use these packing cubes? Let me know in the comments down below. They are so amazing, such a big lifesaver to have things all nice and organized, and really nice to have if you are going to be making other stops along the way, so you don't have to completely unpack for just a day or 2 days stuff. So these liquid IV packets, if you guys haven't used them, they are amazing. If you think you're going to be getting dehydrated or you are dehydrated, they're easy little packs you can throw in with some water. It really, really helps, especially if you are drinking or anything like that. I like to bring my own straw too for my cocktails to stir them and everything. And also these Clorox wipes, I'm not traveling without those right now. I like to have them anyways, but especially in the COVID world. And masks, I have plenty for each day so I can change them out constantly and I don't have to worry about them getting dirty. Some paper plates and some napkins I am also packing too, so that way they're in the room and I don't have to use what's there or worry if it's clean or not, or go get extra paper plates from there that, again, I don't know, people have been touching like crazy, so I am just packing my own. Here's a few of the items that will be going on in my bag that I will have on me. Here's some Clorox wipes just kind of placed in a Ziploc here, and an extra mask, and some sanitizing wipes, also spray. Sometimes I like a spray, sometimes I want this little guy here. So I have a little variety of things that will go in this bag. Come back to you, then I'll ask, what have we done? So here is my finished product here. I have lots of those packing cubes in here. Again, it helps me be super organized. I have my shoes in here too, so everything is sorted. My husband's stuff, my stuff. Makes it really, really easy to do. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please give it a like if you will. Comment with anything you like. Again, let me know if you guys use those packing cubes, as I love them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.